Okay, so in the last video we installed QdslR Dashboard, and now I just plugged it into my camera, my Canon 7D. It's off, but I'm going to turn it on here in a minute. I'm using the USB cable that came with the camera, so the one that says Canon on it. I would just recommend that so you know it's the right cable for the job and you don't run into any of those issues, but I've got it plugged in to a USB hub and into my camera, so I'll just go ahead and turn it on and see if QdslR Dashboard recognizes it. Alright, so it didn't recognize the camera when it was plugged in, so in the manual here, we can see for Windows, the user must install WinUSB driver for the DSLR. Okay, so I went back to the website and typed in WinUSB driver and got this page, and we're going to follow these instructions to install the WinUSB driver. So first we'll download this Zadig utility. And we'll just click download right here. This is an ad, so I'm not going to click that. Looks like just downloading from there, it went ahead and downloaded the exe file. Connect your DSLR and turn it on. Start Zadig. So my DSLR is connected. I'm turning it on. There we go. We saw that pop up. So now let's start this. I'm going to just say no to this. I don't need to update it. It says in Zadig under options, check the list all devices option. So I'll check that. In the drop down box, select your DSLR camera. Canon digital camera. Select the WinUSB driver. Press the replace driver button to install the WinUSB driver. Alright, I clicked on that and it's not responding, but we're just going to give it a second. It says installing driver. That looks good. Alright, we got to know the driver was installed successfully. So let's just close out of all this. X out of here. And we'll restart DSLR Dashboard. Looks like it still isn't finding it, so I'm just going to reboot the computer for good measure and reboot the camera. So I'll turn off the camera and I'm going to restart the computer and see if that fixes it. Okay, we just restarted, so we gave the drivers an opportunity to reset. So let's go ahead and just open up QdslR Dashboard. And now I'll turn on the camera, which is already connected. And it should just pop up here, but it is not popping up. There we go. Right as I said that, it popped up. Here I am. Hello on the 7D. So we just installed the correct driver and now we've got the camera connected. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to explore what this app has to offer.